I get a lot of questions about how I prepare my plantain and dandelion. And so I thought I'd share this quick stir fry with you guys. I got to get everything all washed up. I use things that I purchased like olive oil and spinach. We also grow spinach in our garden. I also use quite a few things that I forage in my yard and in my area. I've got some thin leaf plantain in here. There it is. Got some thin leaf plantain, got some broadleaf plantain. There's thin leaf plantain. I got some thyme, I got some basil, and I got some dandelion in here. So it's all going in there. Okay. All going in there. Okay, now that everything's all nice and wilted, I'm just going to add some water. And then we're going to cover. I might add a little bit more water, but we're going to cover it. Okay. Eat your greens. All right, so I got some lemon. I'm going to pour a squeeze over there. And yum. I also store this in a clear container in my refrigerator, and I can pull it out whenever I need to for my gut issues and just to keep me healthy and in a good mood.